Gordon Ramsay comes to your home kitchen, how will you impress him?
Who is Gordon Ramsay?
You don't know? Moment of the episode बन गया है यहाँ पर.
I was never into cooking. I was never into baking. After marriage, took his last name.
तो एक ही लगा लो ना, दो क्या करने लगा.
I joined the company for one day.
कई लोगों को वो छिलके नहीं पसंद आते जिसमें आप कपकेक को डालते हो. Can you give a discount to the people who reach
Yes,
through
yes.
me? How it's kind of designed and everything.
They can't see the book.
Oh, you can't see. Oh, well, you're. अच्छा ऐसे रख देगा. Secret recipe of what you put in your cakes.
No, my love. अच्छा. डिपेंड करेगा कि कैसा था वो बॉयफ्रेंड ना.
नहीं तो वही तो एक्स है
अच्छा
तो
था.
एक्स है तो अच्छा तो रहा ही नहीं होगा ना.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
You're doing wonderful.
Yeah.
You are the host. I am the guest. My ram cakes are really very yummy. अब मैं
Yeah.
प्रमोशन भी कर देती हूँ साथ साथ में.
Yes. We have a baker, a home baker in the house who's left her job and taken the leap of faith to bake cakes. Make this story go viral everywhere.
Yes,
है ना?
please.
please watch the episode.
Yes, please.
This was
watch
a fun episode. सबसे निहायत ही घटिया चीज जो केक में होती है वो फॉन्डेंट होती है.
नहीं, I'll not say.
Welcome Neha.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for inviting me.
कैसा लग रहा है?
It is so nice. The vibe is nice. I'm liking the place. Awesome.
What is Sarovan Bakehouse?
Sarovan Bakehouse, we do customized cakes. I'm a cake artist. We do hampers. I am a business coach for baking.
You're a business coach for baking?
Yes, I
अरे
take coaching for baking, take workshop.
यार तुमने तो मतलब डाइवर्सिफाई कर दिया है इस पूरे पोर्टफोलियो को बेकिंग के.
I am a self-learned baker. So I took 5 years to build my company. When I have spent 5 years, somebody can get it in 5 days or a month. That will be great for them.
But ये तो फिर तो you're losing business. तुम्हारा अपना business
See,
नहीं है.
everybody have their own business. It's a vast business. Nowadays, for everything, people need cakes and hampers. Yeah.
Why did it start? You were working, right?
Yes, I was working with an MNC when my daughter was born.
Sarah.
Thinking of leaving a job was like something which it was never in my mind. But when she was born, 6 months off is there, and then like suddenly my work started, and then I have to join office, and we asked our in-laws to come and help us. Then we realized they have done their part. It's now our work to see our baby. My partner was there to help me and support me. Jointly we took a decision. We should have something of our own. I was never into cooking. I was never into baking. But lockdown happened. And then my daughter's first birthday. So I decided to make a cake for her. That was the first time I baked. After that, every month I baked. And that was the time when I was thinking what to do. Then we decided, let's go with it. Everything falls in place.
In fact, discovering baking was an accident for you in a way, है ना?
It was an accident.
So you couldn't get it from outside because
हाँ.
you didn't want to take the risk during COVID.
It was lockdown. Her birthday was in April and first lockdown happened in the end of March.
Yeah,
So we were
20th
not
March.
getting anything. 17 months, till that time I baked. And on 18th month, I started my own company.
So why don't we just delve a little about who is Neha? Neha Singh Khanna.
Yes.
सिंह भी लगाना है, खन्ना भी क्यों भाई? थोड़ा बताओ.
I was Neha Singh. After marriage, took his last name.
तो एक ही लगा लो ना, दो क्या करने लगा?
नहीं, मैं अपना छोड़ना नहीं चाहती. उनको भी affection show करना है मुझे.
हाँ.
So it's Neha Singh Khanna.
Where have you grown up?
I was born in West Bengal. Then from my 5th standard till my college, my job, I was in Rajasthan.
Okay.
Then I got married.
So you came to Delhi only after marriage. उससे
After
पहले
marriage.
दिल्ली का कोई प्लान नहीं था.
नहीं, कोई प्लान नहीं था.
भांत का पानी पिया है मैडम?
मतलब कि ये कम नहीं है. My mother is from Bihar, my dad is from UP. But
हाँ.
I was born in West Bengal. इसलिए मेरी जो language है that is खिचड़ी. ऐसे कि हर जगह का पानी
थोड़ा
पिया
थोड़ा.
हुआ है तो इसलिए.
When did you start work?
I started working in 2008
Okay.
in Rajasthan. I was in corporate sales.
Hmm.
And then when I got married, so I got a transfer in Delhi for the telecom company. 12 years of experience which I have.
So you only worked in one company.
Yes.
Did you never think about joining another company?
I got tempting offers also, which was really hard to say no. I joined the company for one day. The designation was nice, the package was nice. So I just told my husband, I want to put it on my FB account that I was so and so. So he was like, okay.
Just joined the company क्योंकि तुमको कोई designation मिल रही. That's nice, yeah. See, I told you this is going to be a fun episode.
So I worked for one day.
So the inspiration behind Next Door Bakers was baking the birthday cake for your child.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I never thought that I will be doing something related to kitchen, baking, or anything like
You were
that.
not a cook at all.
Not at all. My friends were shocked. My mom was shocked.
Why did you only choose baking? I mean, you could have chosen something else also to start as a business, है ना?
I was into sales also. So I was exploring. Then I realized that looking at everything, I thought of doing baking because I was good at it.
Mhm. You figured that you're good after.
Yes, because
कितने साल में ये तुमने figure out किया था?
अरे अभी तो figure किया 5 years back.
5 years back.
हाँ, I was an artist. I'll say I was creative.
Neha has got something for us. So, as you can see, packaging, how it's kind of designed and everything.
They can't see the book.
Oh, you can't see. Oh, well, you're. अच्छा ऐसे रख देखा? He's so particular about the presentation. But this is the kind of presentation that you can get if you buy from Sarovan Bakehouse. I think it's just fabulous. If you guys, especially in Gurgaon or Delhi NCR, you can definitely ping her and get your customized products with her creativity in it for corporates as well as for personal. I understand this was the inspiration behind
Secondly, money.
money. It's good money.
It's good money.
Yeah, cost should be low because क्या है उसमें?
It's your art for
थोड़ा सा
which you
मैदा है,
are.
थोड़ी सी चीनी है, थोड़ा सा how
So it's your art for which you are charging. You're not charging for the stuff which you're
What is the most expensive cake you've baked?
baked 14,000 14,000 का cake.
14,000 का केक बेक किया आपने. How many kgs was this cake? 4
kgs.
6 kgs. फिर ठीक है.
हाँ 6 kgs में इतना तो चलता है.
I know. But the creativity to my mind matters more. How do you get the consistency?
Your recipe which you have to go through. So every time it can't be different. You have to go.
Get the consistent
Yes.
taste, है ना? I tried doing cupcakes for some time. Biscuits बन जाते थे.
Take a course from me.
I really. Oh, you do courses also, right?
Yeah.
So how much do you charge for these courses?
So every course is different. Workshops are different. Online starts with 5 days class and 6,000 rupees. Offline classes, it starts from 4 days class, 12,000 rupees.
Okay. And what do you teach in these classes?
2 different kind of sponge cake, then icing of a chocolate as well as cream cake
Yeah.
and fondant. How to work with fondant.
So, what were the things that you picked up to promote yourself?
So social media was one thing. After that, I started meeting people. I started going for business meets. But most of my business comes through Instagram.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Instagram influencer बन गई हैं आप. Anyway,
Influencer
celebrity बन
नहीं
गई
कहते
हैं.
हैं. I'm a content creator.
Content creator. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to be as well. Right. So Neha, during this time, did you ever go like, मेरे बस का नहीं है, इतना बड़ा order कैसे हो करूँगी मैं, etc. Did you have doubts?
No. So it's other way round. कभी ऑर्डर ना हो then I start having doubt. ऑर्डर है तो रात भर जग के कर लूंगी. When
But
you
the
see,
effort,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
I have no problem to put effort. When you see money coming in,
Yeah.
there is no problem. लेकिन हाँ कभी ऐसा हुआ 1-2 दिन ऑर्डर नहीं आया and then you feel like oh what is
Slightly
happening.
sad, Something like what happens if my videos don't get views. I'm like, इतनी मेहनत करी है. But
View क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
view क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Good. So what are the future plans?
So future plan is at the moment, as my daughter is quite young, so we have thought of doing it from home. I'm a home baker. People want to be my partner and want to invest. My priorities have changed after my daughter. So I want to give time to her. Maybe in some time, yes, we will have something of our own.
अच्छा, so tell me, have you ever had an instance जहाँ पे तुम्हारे client ने मतलब एकदम बहुत गंदा feedback दिया हो?
Maybe once or twice, but हाँ, when I started, yes, when I started, तो मुझे उतना पता नहीं था कि इसको ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे करना है. So I started with, I was not using cab, I started with riders.
Okay.
तो एक बार केक पहुंचा, एक मदर ने अपने डॉटर के लिए एनिवर्सरी केक भेजा था, राइडर से वो गिर गया था, and that was like, obviously when you are sending it to somebody,
You want it to be
हाँ,
proper, है ना?
हाँ,
तो फिर how did you handle it?
So I said sorry and I said if you want money back I can give you money back, and if you want another cake I can send it tomorrow. I told her frankly it's completely my mistake and yes I can do these all things.
So owned up to that, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get the order out?
So she was like they had it. It was broken but it was nice. Yeah.
I can definitely vouch for the fact कि तुम्हारे जो cakes होते हैं, they are amazing. I've ordered them so many times for multiple occasions. And I don't know, you have a secret recipe of what you put in your cakes?
No, my love.
Love के अलावा सच तो बताओ थोड़ा.
नहीं सच्ची, it's more of the ingredient which you put in.
Quality ingredients that what
Yes,
makes
yeah.
it, है ना?
So I tried multiple recipe. The one I liked it, I go ahead with it.
So ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि अब बेकिंग करने से मैं बोर हो गई हूँ?
So नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि when it's work you have to do it. I'm very clear that it's my work. My hobbies are different. My everything is different. This is my work which I have to do. This is giving me my bread and butter. This is giving me my things, whatever I want. So I have to do it.
And then you had support, right? So who was the biggest support that you had?
My husband. Yes, he is the biggest support. If I am sometime going like, क्या कर रही हूँ? Should I do this? Should I join job again? As I was getting, you know.
होता है वो काफी
हाँ
बार
ना,
ना?
बहुत बार होता है. But he was
You
like,
start questioning your own decision
हाँ,
कि ठीक भी कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि बस, या जैसे ये इंसिडेंट हुआ कि गिर गया. आई फील बैड कि ऐसा हो गया. मेरा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है. एंड देन ही इज देयर टू, यू नो, इट्स फाइन, नेक्स्ट डे इज देयर, और हो जाएगा सब कुछ. एंड ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर टू टेल मी कि व्हाई यू आर डूइंग फॉर अस ओनली.
Did you make any mistakes while during this journey?
So many. So many. But we were like chilled out that we are starting something of our own. And तो वो था कि धीरे धीरे करना है, लेकिन खुद का ही कुछ करना है एंड धीरे धीरे इसको बढ़ाना है. First, I had no idea how to, you know, promote my own thing. How to approach people about my own business. तो धीरे धीरे ही सीख के you learn slowly and steadily and you implement it. तो वो
So
हुआ.
if you have to start this business today, तो तुम क्या differently करोगी?
पहले तो मैं कोर्स ही ले लूंगी.
अच्छा.
सबसे पहले मैं कोर्स ले लूंगी कि मुझे सब कुछ
क्योंकि
आ
तुमने
जाए.
खुद सीखा.
हाँ, कि मुझे सब कुछ डे 1 पे सब कुछ आ जाए. से अभी लर्निंग ले लूंगी. वो जो मेरा 6 महीने 1 साल का फेज है अलग अलग चीजों सीखने का, वो मैं 1 महीने में.
We'll shorten that down.
हाँ,
So if there are any aspiring bakers who are watching our podcast today, what is the amount of investment that goes into starting a bakehouse?
from say about 10,000 rupees. If you don't have oven also, it will work.
Oh.
Because
How?
you can do it on gas, you can do it on your microwave.
Okay.
Start with that, earn your own money.
People who want to set up substantial, good baking business.
Starting, then 50,000 is
50,000.
enough. Yeah, a nice oven will work.
और स्किल के लिए आप नेहा का कोर्स कर सकते हैं.
अपना छोटे से शुरू करो एंड देन यू बाय योर ओन थिंग. अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हो, इन्वेस्टमेंट तो कितना भी कर सकोगे वो कम होगा.
But you're saying like
हाँ.
10,000 से भी शुरू कर सकते, 50,000 से भी शुरू कर
हाँ,
सकते हैं.
तो वही.
So you don't have any moments of struggle?
I had my support. I was new mom. I had to bake and my daughter was young and nobody was at home. So I put a basket, put her into that and I was baking. छोटे मोटे स्ट्रगल आते रहते हैं, वो आते हैं और चले जाते हैं. That does not impact.
Super mom baker. So I have created some games specific to baking. I will make a statement
Okay.
and you have to tell me कि भैया do you agree to that, do you disagree to that and why. ठीक है. सबसे निहायत ही घटिया चीज जो केक में होती है वो फॉन्डेंट होती है.
नहीं, I'll not say गंदी चीज या वो, ये शुगर ही होता है.
हाँ.
बस अगर आपको मीठा पसंद है, अगर
But
चीनी
The
पसंद है.
texture, I mean केक कहाँ केक आप सोचते हो और फॉन्डेंट फिर सडनली.
फॉन्डेंट ब्यूटिफाई कर देता है आपके
हाँ.
केक को. तो बीइंग अ बेकर, मैं लोगों को भी यही सजेस्ट करती हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉन्डेंट इज हैवी. 1.5 kg से कम तो वो बनेगा नहीं फॉन्डेंट अगर आप आउटलेट करते हैं तो. आई सजेस्ट माई क्लाइंट गो विद अ क्रीम केक एंड देन यू कैन यूज फॉन्डेंट वर्क फिगरिंग्स करके.
little bit.
हाँ.
Okay.
एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल हु लव.
Good answer है. तुम तो एकदम ऐसे मतलब measured responses देती हो एकदम. Now you can't think in this one.
Okay,
ठीक है?
okay.
Cupcakes are just muffins in fancy clothes. Is it right?
No, it's so yummy and there are so many flavors and
नहीं
मेरा खाया नहीं होगा ना
ये हो
इसलिए
सकता है, ये हो सकता है। चीज केक्स आर वेरी ओवररेटेड,
not at all if it's good.
है ना?
Not at all if
Even
it's
like
good.
I love cheese cakes. I can't. Banana bread का टाइम खत्म हो गया।
Nahi. A corporate invited me, so banana cake was like
Favorite, सबसे
vanished.
पहले बिक गया।
हाँ.
I'll do one more game with you. I'm going to give you a situation and you have to tell me ki what will you do in that situation.
Okay.
So if Gordon Ramsay comes to your home kitchen, how will you impress him?
Who's gotten around?
You don't know? Moment of the episode बन गया यहाँ पर। नहीं, but that's good. He's not a baker. He's like a chef. He's a celebrity chef यार। Master chef वाला बंदा था यार, Gordon Ramsay यार। The one who used to shout on the chefs.
I am so sorry. I don't know people. I really don't know. दिन दुनिया से बाहर जा चुकी हूँ.
अलग अपने business की तरफ. Did you have any ex-boyfriends?
When I was young, I met Karan and we are together since then.
Okay. Okay, assume कि तुम्हारा कोई ex था, तुमको उसके लिए कोई चीज बेक करनी है तो what will that be?
अच्छा, डिपेंड करेगा कि कैसा था वो बॉयफ्रेंड ना.
नहीं तो वो तो ex है
अच्छा
तो
था.
ex है तो अच्छा तो रहा ही नहीं होगा ना.
अच्छा नहीं रहा होगा.
Assumption ये लेके चलो.
अच्छा. Why I will bake for him? I will not bake anything for him.
I'll not bake anything. अच्छा जवाब. Good answer. If you had 10 minutes and 3 ingredients, what can you bake?
Make the shots then. So whipping cream, cheese, cream, mix it and I'll put it in the batter.
And one ingredient in baking that you absolutely hate. कई लोगों को वो छिलके नहीं पसंद आते जिसमें आप कपकेक को डालते हो.
The mess. After
The mess
baking.
after baking, correct.
That I
Okay,
did.
Okay, so thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed talking to me as much as I have enjoyed.
Yes, I
talking to
loved
you.
it. Very comfortable and yes, you have done your homework well and you have asked it well.
We'll make this story go viral everywhere.
Yes,
है ना?
please.
please watch the episode.
Yes, please.
This was
watch
a fun episode. She doesn't know Gordon Ramsay. I mean,
I am sorry again. I am sorry.
if you want to connect with Sarvan Bakehouse, right now is the right time because they make amazing Christmas cakes as well. Get in touch with Neha. I'll leave the details in the description. You can connect if you're in Delhi and NCR. Can you give a discount to the people who reach
Yes,
through
yes.
me? Use the code JOTCAST. You can get a 10% discount on the cakes.
My ram cakes are really very yummy. अब मैं
Yeah.
प्रमोशन भी कर देती हूँ साथ साथ में.
Yes. Thank you so much for bringing this. Looks absolutely great. Next time we have yet another story of another person who's taken the leap of faith. So see you in that one.
Bye bye.